Hello, fellow musicians. Miss Rodriguez here. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an opportunity to try to be a composer while you're right there at your very own house. Remember, a composer is someone who writes music, and that is going to be me and you. Okay, so what I want you to do is get somewhere where you can get on the internet, and let's go to the website Quaver Music, Quaver Music, music.com, quavermusic.com. You should get a screen that looks like this. And right now, you can be getting this website for free just for a little while. So I want to show you how to do that so you can play around in here and let's have some fun. Let's go to the upper right hand corner, click on the green login. And when you get there, I want you under my Quaver name to write down Pasadena 2020. So Pasadena 2020. Okay, Pasadena 2020. Now, for my password, your password is going to be the exact same thing you just wrote. Okay, so let's do it again. Pasadena, Pasadena, in the year 2020. Okay, go ahead and click enter. It should launch you to this page. From there, I want you to click on this little circle here with that says creatives, and you'll get to this little screen. And for right now, for this lesson, here's what your assignment is. I want you to click on Backbeat Light, which will take you to this screen. Okay, now here's where you are going to start amazing me with your awesome beats you are about to start composing. All right, here's how this is going to work. You're going to read from left to right, just like you do with all music, all readings that you do. Each line is going to have a different sound for a different percussion instrument. The top line is going to be a big bass drum. The second line is going to be for a snare drum. This third line here is going to be a tom, which is just a lower drum, floor tom, we can call it. And then we have some cymbals at the bottom. These two cymbals together are going to be called a hi-hat. This is its line. Now, once you see at the top, you can see there's a couple of numbers here. Here's a 1, here's a 2. If we keep going, scrolling this way, there's a 3, there's a 4. The word is measures, okay? And I think we have talked enough about that in music class for you guys to understand that there has to be some kind of way of grouping the beats so we know how to play and count them a lot easier. You can hear it too. So this whole section here is going to be measure 1. Once you see that big black line, we can call that the bar line, and then we'll start measure 2. So all that's measure 2. All right, now in each one of these measures, it's divided up into 4 different sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 beats per that measure. Now, let's see what happens when I click right there. How about let's see what happens when I click right here? And what if I want to click here? What if I want to click here? Wonder what that sounds like. So I'm going to hit play. Okay. All right, let me stop that. Now, I don't like that. So we're going to clear it off. Okay, what happens if I click all of that? I'm going to skip that. What if I do all of this? What does that sound like? Let's hit play. We'll find out. Let's listen. Oh, okay. Seems like we got some faster notes going on there. So that's just the top line bass drum. if I come down and I play around with the snare here, let's see what I want to do here. And I'm just making this up. And that's exactly what you're going to do. You're just going to make this up, play around, see what beats you can come up with. Okay. Oh, how about that? Well, it looks pretty colorful too. Let's hit play. Okay, and you can keep going for as long as you want, or as short as you want. If you find, okay, I want to try something different, go ahead and clear it out, and go ahead and play around with some of these other things here. It looks down here. We can change the tempo, slowest to fastest. Okay, so play around with that a little bit. Let's learn maybe someone learn some of these words here. Okay, with the tempo. Have a lot of fun doing some composing. I really hope you enjoy it. And then how about we go to your teacher's Flipgrid page and write us a little message on how you like this, okay? So you guys enjoy. Have a good time. Bye.